Hey everyone, Hannah here from Preferred Physical Therapy, where we help people aged 40 and above stay active and independent, live free from painkillers, and avoid surgery. So this month is talking to you all about lower back pain, how to do exercises and stretches that may be helpful for you in relieving some of your symptoms. Today I'm going to show you a stretch that you can do hanging off of a table or off of your bed to help stretch out that lower back, hopefully decompress if you're having any compression that's going on in your spine, or more specifically on your discs and your nerves. So the decompressive exercise I would like to show you, we call it prone on elbows. Prone just means laying on your stomach. So I like to do it hanging off the edge of my bed. I feel like I can get my elbows kind of tucked into that little curve there, and I'm able to really stretch out my lower back. So I just dropped the end of the table here so I can demonstrate it. And then place your elbows right on that crease where you can kind of hook it into the edge of your bed. And then here I'm relaxing everything down from my shoulders to my feet. And then I'm just leaning my body over the edge, kind of using my elbows to push into the table a little bit. You may slide, and that's okay. But here I'm feeling a nice little stretch right in my lower spine, lower lumbar spine. And I'm gonna hang out here for maybe about 30 seconds. You can do a minute if that's comfortable, just depending on your tolerance and how it's feeling for you. And you can try that out a couple times. Don't get too crazy with it. I don't want you injuring yourself, falling off the bed or anything crazy, but just a light stretch that you should feel in your lower back. So I hope that you guys are able to give this exercise a try. If you have any questions about it, you can always drop a comment below, or you can contact our office, check out our website, and just come on in and say hi. Have a great day.